para ma-develop yung isang cookbook. Even years, di ba?
Actually, the shooting of the whole cookbook was only a month. The text, words, yung everything, it took us almost a year to compose and fix everything kasi mahirap pala. It's fun to do. It's very liberating kasi nasusulat mo yung gusto mong isulat. Walang MTRCB. Yung, di ba? And it's your autobiography. Technically, masaya siyang gawin. Hindi naman siya stressful. Ano lang, ang dami mo lang words na kailangan pigain. Yung paano ba. Pero masarap. If you'd ask me if I had fun, definitely.
Because it's your passion in cooking.
Siguro, sabi ko as young as 8.
8 years old.
8. Diba, lalo kayo bahay-bahayan, luto-lutuan. Pero yung talagang nakitaan ko na yung passion ko na talagang I wanted it to go further. Siguro mga 18, 19.
Bakit ba? May mga experiences ka ba? Or was there someone in particular